6 Express. I am a man, and I'm 39. I got married to my wife in the year 2012. We were blessed with a baby girl who was our only child in the year 2015. So one Sunday in 2020, on our way home from church, we got involved in an accident. I was driving. Unfortunately, my wife and I had minor injuries, but our daughter, on the other hand, did not make it. She passed on kuchipatara from the injuries. So the problem is, right now, for the past 6 years, we have done counseling. We have used 3 different counselors. My wife has received support from me and my family and from our church, but she just fails to move on from the trauma. Each time we have a conversation, even just about something as simple as machips chayo, she'll start crying. Mwana wangu loved these chips. Atanga kuchema. It's been like this for a long time. Ndashingirira vedare. And I think I want to leave her. But now I don't know how to do it. I even spoke to her sisters in the chiwaonesa situation, but nothing has helped. The truth is I don't want to cheat on her, and I have just become a soothing bag for her, and it's just been taxing on me. I asked her if we could try for another child, but even that hard. And to be honest with Daddy, I am ready to move on. But what can I do? Because now I am suffocating in this marriage. Ndikazomsiya andizopiwe mosha here. Kuti ndamusirei. Please help Vedare. Here iho topic yetu namhlanje.
Yeah, okay. Yeah, it's, I don't know, Saki, what do you think?
Ooh,
6 years. This guy was driving when this accident happened.
Yeah.
So it could be that the lady is maybe blaming the husband. Could be. But it's been 6 years now. And then she starts crying. And is this guy for real? He wants to kick her and dump her while she's down. But I think his argument is she's been down for too long. But also, you can't put a time frame to grieving as well.
That's true.
So that's where the hot topic is. I'm going to sit this one out.
Donna? Yeah. I just believe, when we make those vows, through thick and thin,
the thick
and the thin, we don't really understand it until it hits us. And for me, my brother, I would say this is one of those times where you're facing a hard time with your wife. It's a season, it's a phase, and allow her to grieve and get the support. This is what you signed up for when you said those vows. When you said kusvikira rufu rwatiparadzanisa. She hasn't cheated on you. You haven't cheated on your wife. So I don't think that's a reason enough to then say you want to leave her. Yes, maybe you're feeling like there's certain
suffocated,
things that
you said.
Yeah, as he's saying, but she's down. Look at it as if, grief sometimes, just look at it as it's a condition that she has at the moment.
But you see, when you say at the moment, Sakilega, at the moment, in the human mind, you kind of put a time frame to it, and it's thinking,
But these are that time frame from grief. There are people who.
But he's 39. He's 39, and he wants to try for another child, etc., etc.
But that's what I'm saying, Donna. When you signed up for through thick and thin, this is thick and thin. Are you giving up on your wife because of this?
And my friend, I was in a similar situation, but it was pregnancy. I will never hurt my wife like that, and I vowed to make it better. You need to put in effort to help her. And this one says, evening, those vows are just words, easy to say but hard to do. Grieving has a time frame according to the Bible. So if a time frame and the guy feels suffocated, why not? And what caused the accident? It could be very important information that we're missing.
I did think of it when I was reading.
Yeah.
Kuti, isn't it maybe this wife could have said, "Baningi muri kumhanyisa mota," or something like that, and she's still holding on to that. Kuti baba iva vantu vakakonzeresa accident.
Yeah, so it may be grieving and then also thinking yakakonzereswa nemuromo. So yeah,
that could be the case.
Yeah, so many reactions. I tried to get the first reactions. Now we have to hear from you. 0772162651 or 0714414413. And it's called caregivers fatigue. He loves her, but he's losing the energy to support her. So through counseling, tell her that you